English Wind Collection. To wind up, spitting in the wind, wind around their finger, scattered to the four winds, whistling in the wind. To wind up. The idiom means to intentionally annoy or provoke someone, often through teasing or playing tricks on them. The phrase suggests that the person doing the winding up is intentionally causing frustration or irritation to the other person. John likes to wind up his sister by hiding her phone, knowing that it annoys her. Spitting in the wind. The idiom means to do something that is completely useless. The phrase suggests that the person's actions will ultimately fail, like spitting in the wind that will blow back into their face. The small business owner tried to compete with the larger corporations by offering lower prices, but it was like spitting in the wind. Wind around their finger. The idiom means to manipulate or control someone. The phrase suggests that the person doing the manipulation has complete power over the other person. The spoiled little girl has her parents completely wound around her little finger. Scattered to the four winds. The idiom means to be spread out or dispersed in many different directions, often as a result of a chaotic or uncontrolled event. The phrase suggests that the people or things being described are scattered far and wide with no clear direction or focus. The storm caused the leaves on the tree to be scattered to the four winds, blowing in all directions. Whistling in the wind. The idiom means to do or say something that has no effect or it's pointless. The phrase suggests that the person is wasting their time and energy on something that will not yield any results. The politician's promise to reform the corrupt system was like whistling in the wind, as nothing ever came of it.